Hello gamers, Gigi. Do you want to know about a gaming laptop priced just under 50,000 rupees? Meet the Thin A15. A sleek and powerful gaming laptop that combines Ryzen performance with NVIDIA graphics all inside a lightweight frame. Starting with the design, the Thin A15 stays true to its name. It's compact, modern, and weighs just 1.86 kilograms, making it super easy to carry around. You get a 15.6-inch Full HD IPS level display with a 144Hz refresh rate, perfect for buttery smooth gaming and fast-paced action. It's anti-glare, so you can work or play comfortably even in bright conditions. At the core, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 7535HS processor, featuring 6 cores and a boost clock up to 4.55 GHz. This CPU is built on AMD's latest XDNA architecture, ensuring excellent efficiency and responsiveness whether you're gaming, editing, or multitasking. For graphics, it packs the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2050 laptop GPU with up to 1170 MHz boost clock, and it's a solid entry-level RTX card capable of running modern titles at 1080 pixels smoothly while supporting ray tracing and DLSS for enhanced visuals. To handle thermals, MSI has included Cooler Boost technology with 3 heat pipes and a dedicated fan, keeping the system cool even during extended gaming sessions. You get a 16 GB of DDR5 RAM clocked at 4800 MHz with support for up to 64 GB. Storage-wise, it features a 512 GB NVMe PCIe Gen 4 SSD, giving you blazing fast load times and space for your favorite games and software. For connectivity, it supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring stable and low latency connections. And in terms of ports, you get one USB Type-C with DisplayPort and power delivery, 3 USB Type-A ports, one HDMI 2.1 port that supports 8K at 60 Hz or 4K at 120 Hz output, mic in and headphones out jacks, and RJ45 LAN port for wired connectivity. The Thin A15 comes with dual 2-watt speakers, high-resolution audio support, and DTS audio processing, delivering immersive sound whether you're gaming or watching movies. You also get an HD webcam for video calls or streaming. It runs on a 3-cell 52.4 WH battery, powered by a 120-watt adapter, and comes with a Windows 11 Home pre-installed. So you're ready to go right out of the box. So overall, this MSI Thin A15 105IN is an excellent choice for gamers and creators who want power, portability, and performance without breaking their bank. You get a high refresh display, strong Ryzen CPU, RTX graphics, and modern connectivity all in one thin package. So if you are looking to buy this MSI Thin A15 laptop, it's available in all our Vishal Peripherals and Vishal Computex stores and online at www.vishalperipherals.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Until then, happy gaming. Peace out.